Communication errors during Tesla Model 3 charging usually mean the car and charger aren't talking properly. This can happen with wall connectors or mobile chargers. It often involves a mismatch in data protocols, hardware issues like faulty wiring, or software glitches within Tesla's system. These errors prevent the charger from negotiating voltage and current correctly with the vehicle, interrupting the charging process. First, reset the charger by flipping the circuit breaker. This simple action can restore power and clear temporary faults. Next, ensure the charging cable is securely connected to both the car and the charger. Loose connections can cause communication errors. Then, try a full system reboot of your Tesla through the touchscreen. This can resolve software glitches affecting charging. Finally, check for any visible damage to the charging cable or connector. Physical wear can interrupt communication. Tesla's app is a powerful tool for diagnosing charging issues. Use the auto-diagnose feature if available to identify the problem. The app can often apply over-the-air OTA updates to resolve firmware conflicts. Look for the charge port calibration procedure in the app, which recalibrates communication channels. According to Tesla's Q4 2025 report, about 70% of charging errors are now fixed via these app-based tools. Certain error codes are common with Tesla charging. While specific code meanings can vary with software updates, a communication error 14 often indicates a firmware version conflict. Consult the Tesla Model 3 Owner's Manual or Tesla's official support website for a comprehensive list of error codes and their corresponding solutions. Online forums like Reddit's r/Tesla Motors can also provide user-reported fixes. Always check for the latest information as error meanings can change with updates. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the communication error, the issue may involve hardware or software problems. For hardware issues, first check the wall connector for physical damage, such as faulty wiring or damaged connectors. For the mobile charger, inspect for water damage, which can disrupt the connection. If water ingress is suspected, consider a DIY seal replacement if you're comfortable doing so. Otherwise, contact Tesla Service for professional assistance with hardware repairs. For software issues, ensure your Tesla Model 3 is running the latest firmware version to resolve potential bugs or compatibility problems. If problems persist, despite these advanced solutions, schedule a service appointment with Tesla for comprehensive diagnostics and repairs. The future of Tesla charging error resolution is leaning towards AI-driven diagnostics and proactive fixes. Machine learning algorithms will predict errors before they occur, reducing downtime. Integration with smart grids and IoT ecosystems will enable automatic firmware syncing and proactive maintenance. By 2030, experts predict a significant drop in manual interventions, with universal charger standards minimizing brand-specific errors. Keep an eye on advancements in cybersecurity for connected chargers.